Totoo ba yun na ang inspirasyon mo ha? For
Ang galing-
taking up psychology
ang galing mo
ay
mag-research.
isang lalaking may asawa? May ganyan ba sa
Very
buhay
well.
mo?
Siguro kaya ako, he was my philosophy professor.
Oh, wow.
A
Let's
long,
not
long
say
time
when.
ago.
Baka ma-date, ma-identify.
Alam mo, I was a student. Not that I'm giving myself excuses. I was a student, he was a
were
teacher,
young.
and he was brilliant.
Oh,
So, syempre,
wow.
you know, okay.
Yeah, adulation. You're,
Yes. At marunong siya manligaw. I mean,
Oh,
not that
really?
I give.
Oh,
Eh kasi innocent. Later, can I tell you, ba't mas magaling manligaw ang married man kesa sa single?
I believe you. Yes, I
Hindi
would
ba?
say that.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, experiensyado na yun.
Yes, number one. At
Oo.
marunong silang mangbola. Kasi
Marunong mambola.
Yes, because whatever they say, hindi nila kailangan gawin. Alam mo, mahal na mahal kita at ikaw, kung ikaw ang asawa ko, isasamba kita araw-araw.
Ganon.
Alam mo naman, hindi siya magiging asawa mo. Di marami kang masasabi.
Oh, anong gagawin mo pag gano'n?
If you are not told about these things in sex education, madali kang masway. Madali kang masway.
Oh, bakit naging inspirasyon mo yon to take up psychology? Bakit?
Hindi ba nung bata pa tayo, hindi ba sinasabi sa'yo, alam mo, pag hindi ka virgin, wala nang magpapakasal sa'yo.
Tama.
Pag hindi ka, pero isip
Oo
ko,
nga.
bakit yun lang ba ang mabibigay ko? At kahit, naku, controversial na naman ito. Kahit sa lahat ng babae, kung hindi ka na virgin, wala ka nang mabibigay sa asawa
Hindi ka na
mo.
mabuting tao.
Hindi ka na mabuting
Oo.
tao, wala ka nang mabibigay sa asawa mo. Ano yung lalaki, palit lang ng palit kasi gusto nila yung
Hanap ng virgin.
pinakamagandang, ano ba yung sinasabi nila tungkol sa virgin? Pinakamagandang regalo ba yon na mabibigay mo? Hindi naman yung totoo. Sana. Kasi what about your humor? What about your perspective in life? What about your integrity? So yun. So kumuha ako ng psychology kasi isip ko, there has to be a better answer than this. Kanino kami pwedeng pumunta? The psychiatrists, several priests, and nuns, very conservative sila. They tell you what you should be like. Okay. They do not tell you what is actually happening. This is one of the reasons I took psychology.
Para masigit na mapalawak ang kaalaman, kumuha si Margie ng special studies in sex therapy at marriage counseling sa Amerika. Aminado si Margie na hindi lang ang mga diploma sa paaralan ang humubog sa kanyang kakayahan sa napiling karera. Kung susuriin nga raw natin ang personal na buhay niya, siya na nga ang maituturing na best living case study pagdating sa usaping pag-ibig.
With that said, alright, with that, bakit nagkaganon, ha? Una muna, you have a psychology degree. Magna cum laude, no less.
Talagang
From
ganun,
UP.
sir. From UP.
Alright. Hindi na kontento. Nag-masters ka pa.
Yes.
Hindi ba?
Yes.
Hindi na kontento. Nag-doctorate ka pa. Di ba? So many special studies in marriage counseling, in sex therapy, in whatever, and this and this and this. Ang tanong ng tao, bakit ikaw mismo
Ang
nasa pang-apat ka na sa iyong personal na relationship?
Yes.
So paano namin mare-reconcile yun?
Mas marami sa personal relationship. Fourth legal husband.
Fourth legal husband?
Because if not, my husband will correct me.
Pang-apat mo na si Mr. Bayer?
Yes.
Oo, ngayon.
As he said, he's my FNF.
What is
My fourth and final.
Fourth and final. That's
Fourth
cute.
and final.
That's
Yes, that's cute. Kasi,
Paano
once
yun?
at least masaya ko, I think. Kasi what you see is what you get, no?
Oo.
Kasi ang feeling ko sa psychology, alam mo pag meron kang kliyente, ang pinakamahalagang bagay sa kliyente ay ang relasyon ninyo ng kliyente, kunwari kliyente ka,
Sige,
at ng therapist.
Yes.
Ang pinakamahalaga ang relasyon. Ngayon, hindi yung saan mo nakuha yung degree mo, ganyan-ganyan, no? Ngayon, kung ako
Nagpapanggap. You were pretending.
Yes, na santa-santita ko or I'm very conservative, it will show because what it means is hindi ako tunay na tao.
Oo.
Hindi ko naman sinasabi once, alam mo, 4 na yung asawa ko. Hindi naman ganon. But everything about you that you try to conceal,
Oo.
it is being dishonest. And if you want to be a good therapist, kailangan nandun yun eh. Not that pinag-uusapan mo yung sarili mo, no? Pero nandun yun eh, that congruence of yung sinasabi mo at paano yung buhay mo. So supposing I say, which I believe, you know, wag kayong manatili sa asawa ninyo, hindi lang kung nagbubugbog siya, kasi alam natin na talagang that you should leave. Pero kung wala siyang respeto sa'yo, bakit ka kailangan magstay sa kanya? Kung natatakot ka, nakawawa naman yung asawa mo, nung araw nakatira kayo sa Forbes Park, ngayon baka sa Kamuning o sa bahay namin, itong area, hindi yan mahalaga sa anak. No? And so, I like to think, hindi ko alam, that I walk the talk. You know, so when things were not doing well, and talagang I tried, no? And in fairness to the 3 previous husbands I had, they also tried. But sometimes, it just doesn't work.
Yun,
Well, for
okay.
the second and third also, my daughter did not like